So this is not my regular H1B or H4 video, but if you know someone on F1 status right now, send this video to them because it is very important. DHS just submitted a rule to eliminate duration of status for F1 and J1 visa holders. So this was submitted by Federal Review on June 17, 2026, and it is moving very fast. So right now, F1 students can stay as long as the program takes, no fixed date. But under this new rule, they get a fixed expiration on their I-94, capped at 4 years. So if their PhD or medical program runs longer than that, so they must file a formal extension application to USCIS or face an automatic overstay. And the grace period after graduation, which is the time to find a job, apply for OPT or change status, shrinks from 60 days to 30 days. Now this was submitted by Federal Review on June 17th. It is still under review. This is not final yet, but it is moving pretty fast. So please tag someone on F1 status below. They need to know this, which is very important, and it is coming. And follow me because I cover this every single week.